Hi everyone, good morning. So, our Father, He wants to break and sever and separate that every spirit have the right to our family. They had the right to our family for the behavior of our Father. He wants to break all the unrighteousness sin so that from these generations and onwards there will be no longer unrighteousness to our family. Napakabuti ng ating Panginoong Diyos, ng ating Diyos Ama, na gusto niya, He wants to break so that from this generation there will be no longer unrighteousness in the family. Napakamagandang gift yun ng Diyos Ama sa atin. This is where the time when the spirit of adultery in the family history, the spirit of alcoholism in our family, the spirit of abuse stops in the family. So dapat yung mga father should be surrender their manhood in our father, so that being a father, they carry the character of the fatherness, the father, being a father, like what our Godfather has, so that all the unrighteous acts to the family should stop, and the fatherhood of a Godfather be with each father, be with each man of our family, to carry the righteousness of our Father. So it's better as a father that a man in the family surrender his manhood to our Father, so that the Father guide the generations, the lineage of the whole family to be safe, to be saved, and stops all the unrighteous thing happen from their generations to the generations of the family. It's a gift that God wants to every family, to every man. Be a man having a character of God, Father. I hope this simple motivational talk will learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.